So again, sorry about that. So dollars and weeks. Since we have our rate of change, our slope, we go 0 to 1 to 2, and then do the block. Now, before $30 per week, we had $85. That's how much we started with. Then we add 30. That would take us to $115. Add another 30 would take you to $145. Okay. Now, 175 is the closing amount. We need to figure out how many weeks go with that. Okay. So on my graph, it would be equals y. Y starts at 85. And then the slope, the number I'm always adding, is 30 times x. Okay, so there's your equation. 85 plus 30 times x equals y. Okay. And then y equals 175. Okay, so highlight the times, take out your 85 by minusing it. 30 times x, okay. It's going to be 90 divided by 30. And that's going to be 3, okay. Makes sense because in the third week, you'd add another 30 and that would take you to 175. Okay, now the next one. An office manager spent $648 on a new energy-saving copier. The copier will cost $88 per month for electricity. The old copier is paid for, but it costs $112 per month for electricity. And how many months will the copier pay for itself? That's weirdly worded, so read in the parentheses. Well, no cost for the new copier and old copier be equal. Been a while since we did these, but you'll quickly see what technique we have to use. Dollars and months. X is months, Y is dollars. So the dollars per month rate, well, we actually have two of them. We have 88 and 112. So we have two of them, 88 times X, 112 times X. So make two tables, okay? So Y is dollars, okay, and months is X. Okay, we have both these, so they both go 0, 1, 2, block, 0, 1, 2, block. Now let's talk about the 88. Now before the $88 per month, we had it was 648, okay? Then every month you add 88. So 648 plus 88 is 736. Then you add 88. 824. Now let's look at our other table. Now let's look at the 112. There's nothing before the 112, so that started at 0, and then we start adding 112. Plus 112 would be 112. Plus 112, 224. Now, what do we put below the blocks? Nothing. There's nothing to put, okay? You just put a giant equal sign. Because you want to figure out when the costs match. Right now, they're far off, 824 and 224. So I put equals Y equals Y. So Y started at 648, and we're adding 88 times X times months. This started at 0 plus 112 dot X. Okay. Now, you make your equation down here. You are going to cancel out your Y's. Okay. You're going to ignore the Y's. Then on one side, you put 648 plus 88 dot X. And on the other side, I would not put the 0. I would just put 112.x. When you have 0, that's not really needed. Okay, so you have x's, two of them, and they're on opposite sides. So opposite sides. So let's mark our smaller one and take that to 0. So minus 88x minus 88x, 648. And then that's 24x, 24 times x. So then you divide by your 24. $27. Okay. So before, I would have to go all the way down to 27 months before those are equal cost. Now you can check that answer by taking 648 plus 88 times and have 27 go in for x. Okay, so that's $3,024. Now take your 112 and times by 27, and that's the same thing. So I did that right.